The forward emergency braking (FEB) with pedestrian detection can help the driver when there is a risk of a forward collision with a vehicle ahead in the traveling lane or with a pedestrian. The FEB with pedestrian detection system uses a radar sensor located on the front of the vehicle to measure the distance to the vehicle ahead in the same lane and operates at speeds above approximately 10 kilometers per hour. The system uses a camera installed behind the windshield to help detect pedestrians. If a risk of a forward collision with a vehicle is detected, the system provides a warning to the driver by a flashing indicator, along with an audible alert. If the risk of a forward collision with a pedestrian is detected, the flashing indicator is red. If the driver does not take action, the forward emergency braking with pedestrian detection system issues the second visual and audible warnings and also applies partial braking. If the risk of a collision becomes imminent, the system applies harder braking automatically. Perform the following steps to turn the system on or off. Press the setting button on the control panel. Touch the driver assistance key on the touch screen. Then touch the emergency assist key. Now, touch the forward emergency braking key to toggle the system on or off. When the forward emergency braking system is turned off, the warning light illuminates. The Predictive Forward Collision Warning system, if so equipped, is integrated into the forward emergency braking with pedestrian detection system. There is not a separate selection in the touchscreen display for the PFCW system. When the FEB with pedestrian detection is turned off, the PFCW system is also turned off. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.